I don't leave my gun. I don't leave my gun. We have some big rifle.
Yeah.
We have some big rifle. M16 and a G3 rifle.
Yeah.
But me have the Philippines right now. If them try something,
Yeah.
we have the Philippines right now. Laser, and a 15 meg for your shot teaser from.
Yeah, brother. I want to go on, brother. You full of buckler. Yeah, man, I go up on the thing, dog. Bruh, tell me this shit don't sound like some blood clot. UK or blood clot. Or blood clot New York. You know, pop smoke on this, brother. Bomba clot, that was some pop smoke on this. Our video foreign. Bomba clot, man.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around this one, hold on.
Hold up the pan belly one. Bomba clot. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco and I'm back with a hit and a smash and a bang, you know, people. Yeah, man, people, wagwan, people, wagwan, people, wagwan. We don't see it, you know, you don't know it's December 31st, you know, it's New Year's Eve, people. And I hope you enjoy the holidays and I hope you had a blessed holidays, you know what I'm saying? You know, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's when it comes. You already know, this is my last video for 2020. You know what I'm saying? And you don't know, 2021, we taking it to the top of going even harder, going even crazier. We having even more bangers, more hits, you know, and more smash. You already know what time it is. You don't know, boy Jambisco. I'm about to turn up, guys. I'm about to turn up the quality. I'm going to turn up the vibes. I'm about to turn up in every way in 2021, and I hope you do too. So I just want to thank you guys for the love and support so far. I appreciate everything you guys have done. We hit 500 subs on Thanksgiving. I really appreciate it. And we're on the road right now to 1K. I really appreciate it. I hope we can hit it by my birthday, which is January 30th. Guys, you know you can do it. So you know, I really appreciate if we can. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bells so you get it right away. Whoa. Tune ready for play already, but easy. Yeah, man. Turn on the post notification bell so you can get my videos right away as soon as I hit that. You know, as soon as I drop them. We're going strong over here, man. I really appreciate y'all, man. I really appreciate it. 2020 has been crazy. You know, a lot of shit happened, but I've been getting a lot of support, not only from artists, but from you guys from all over the world. UK, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, Guyana, Bahamas, Canada, Commonwealth, Africa. I love all you know, America, I love you. I don't know yard, I love you, man. I appreciate the support on our show. You see me? We've been going strong, all because of you guys. I love all, I respect all of the artists that show me love. Man, I appreciate it, guys. It's crazy. I'm just doing this for fun, and I never thought it would be like this. You know, we're going strong. I was doing this for fun and enjoying music, you know, but I really appreciate it. It's only because of you guys. I love you guys, you know. And clearly, guys, from the title, you see what I'm doing today. Yeah, man. Skillibeng drop in blood clot skill tip in project entitled The Prodigy. You see me? Him drop it, man, and yo, we react to one song already. One video already. Not, you see me? I'm telling you, so I react to the whole project, you know. So you don't know today, I come with another one. This is we are coming with the whole project, and this is the first track off of the project. This one is called My Gun. I'm gonna listen to it today, man. See what I'm going. And it's gonna be my last. This is gonna be. I'm gonna drop all the videos, but this is one of my last videos for 2020. You know what I'm saying? So go check it out and see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's a bang, but don't know what's going on. It must have bang on now. You see me? I say, yeah, I hope to the album, man. No joke. You see me? I say that. We're gonna jump right into it today, guys. You don't know. We're gonna jump right into it today. It's a boy Skillibeng new track off his album entitled Prodigy. This song called My Gun. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. Let's get it.
Is that? Yeah.
Loving the vibe already.
Big lock chip up for box him up, kill man for fun. No ramp it dust the axie, the tank full up, clip from to book, fast about mission for cup, Nissan pull out, me gun and road kill.
Skilly. Come on, Skilly. The album just start now. That's how I got that. I like the beat though. I like that shit, bro. That shit give it a little vibe. Let's see what's going on. Let me turn up the volume cards. I want to hear everything, you know. Skillibeng don't come for play now. Let's get it, people. Bumbo class.
Is that?
Yeah.
The Glock chip up for box him up, kill man for fun. No ramp dust the axi out the tank full up. Clip from to book for she boat mission for cupness and pull out. Me gun a road kill and go smoke the man your soul. Reward you do me do and shot all pitch off your nose. He can't fed go kill off a woman.
This song just 26 seconds in my ear. This song just kill them lyrics, so Skilly. I say, man, I kick off the tape. I say, I kick off the tape. Let's get it.
That I show me calm approach with that a first. Mama me kill and fire disaster now. Skilly lift half a crown, me wanna call. Me just chip and bad the dogs I roll pussy wall resolve a hole. I no pyjama, no one no bowl. Me walk alone, go slaughter 4 shot and the throat chop off a two.
Me walk alone. Hey, bomb, easy, bro, easy. The man say gun chip up ready to get him on a box. What? The man say him walk alone, but what? Brother, come in, Skilly.
I'm around a cloud side, I just bomb all a throat. I don't leave my gun. I don't leave my gun.
Lord God.
I don't leave my gun. I don't leave my gun. We have some big rifle.
Yeah.
We have some big rifle. M16 and a G3 rifle.
Yeah.
But me have the Philippines right now. If them try something,
yeah.
We have the Philippines right now. Laser, and a 15 meg for a shot teaser from.
Yeah, brother. I want to go on, brother. Are you full of bomb? Yeah, man, I go on the thing, dog. Bro, tell me this shit don't sound like some blood clot. UK or blood clot. Or blood clot New York drill, bro. Tell me this shit don't sound like some New York drill, bro. This shit go hard, dog. Man, I show him skill, you know, dog. Half root, man, I show him skill, say, man, marketable. Overseas, you know, brother. The man sound like you imagine a pop smoke on this, brother. Bombo clad, that man some pop smoke on this. Our video foreign. Bombo clad, imagine video foreign on this bombo clad. Brother, the man bad, you know? The man market bombo clad, man, I do New York drill, bro. Hey, make a salute them, bombo. Yo, let's get it.
Yo, tell me kill be a man full of crocodile teeth. Here man, your man, the dogs are roll wicked and Satan. Go murder boy, not them area. I east side nation, me no play a dog. Me go feel last marrow, me nah muggle, me cross. I always carry a cut the car, shut up the glass. I duck me nah back up, me clock that up till.
Skilly, no you have water down. Eh? Oh, you have water down. You come like say you want to take over that, sir. I don't think I come for them. Me not let me split you. I got to go over that time, me G. Bombo clot. Yo, a man can collab with some New York rapper, dog. Listen to the blood clot and I still dance all. You know, nobody can't talk about that's not dance all, man. And dance all is bombo clot. And yo, the man can collab with a Pop Smoke. The man can collab with a Video Foreign. The man can anybody, bro. The man can do it with Abacadabra. The man can do it with OSB Low-Key. The man can do it with Bombo Class, man can do New York drill and UK drill. This nigga go hard, bro. Let's get this shit.
Why I got dead? Good all soldier parade, that soldier afraid the mount. I clear the road, I clear about. I been to over there before.
Man say could a soldier parade or soldier afraid. No, sir. Normal, brother, I want to better behave.
Face clip over, wait full over here. Mama, me kill and fire out disaster now. Skilly lift half a crown, me wanna call. I don't leave my gun. I don't leave my gun. I don't leave my gun.
Then they can know that.
I don't leave my gun. We have some big rifle.
Yeah.
We have some big rifle. M16 and a G3 rifle.
Yeah.
But me have the Philippines right now.
Yeah.
If them try something, we have a Philippines right now.
Look at you, no blood clot, you have the GG rifle, you have the Philippines. Hey, we have a bomber. Better reload. Now feel the top. Bombo clock, brother. No man. Skillibeng me G. Oh yeah, move to dog. I told you when I alone me check out from the tape in brother. And he two of them slaps so far now. You check out not the video. And we just check out the audio. A bombo clock. My gun. And so far, I like it, brother. And you have 35 tracks, dog. But I still have 33 months actually. We still have 33 months. Hey, we have 33 months and going up. It's not going to start too long. I know the things in the comment section, dog. Just like emoji, the fire emoji. Yeah, but drop all the things, I know. Definitely going to show the artist some love. You see me and support me. You know, say, Jambisco send you. You see me? Yo. One of the latest artists in the dancer. Real shit, the man I got 35 tracks, brother. And so far, you know, that man, I'm missing 2 tracks. Check out so far, you have 33 more to go. So far, man, hey, let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know the boy Jambisco. I was here with a hit and smash and bang. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.